Raju, current BSc Economics.
Hi, myself, I'm D. Surtajan from the BSc MPE EITC College. Today, I would like to share about QR code design for laboratory manual. This is the index of our project. Today, we would like to introduction about QR code design for laboratory manual. QR codes are nowadays you can see every place QR codes and using data about QR codes. QR codes are square barcodes, and we also can see rectangle barcodes, which are represented in black dots and white dots. I would like to give an introduction about QR code. QR code is quick response code. QR code stands for quick response code, and it is developed in Japan in 1994. Here we can see that introduction index of my project. There are objective, abstract, principal, history. What are the components used in this preparation of QR barcode, and benefits, applications, and which are and areas to be extended, result and conclusion and reference. Here we can see the introduction about the QR barcode. This is first developed in Japan in the year of 1994 by Japanese automotive company Densewave. A barcode is a machine readable optical label that can be contain information. It can store the used data in a form of black dots and white dots. Here we can see the objective of my project. It is the QR code is quick response code. It is a 2D matrix code that is designed to keep 2 points under the concentration. It can store the large data into a compressed 1D barcode. It can be decoded at high speed with using scanners, mobiles, and etc. It does not have any error. It has any error corrections. Nowadays, it's growing very rapidly. We can see every place of using of QR codes like shops, etc. And here you can see the different types of versions of QR codes. And the first version is 21x21 version code, and second version is 25x25, and so on. It is developed to version 40, which is 144 into 144 version. And here you can see the structure of a QR code. Here you can see the version information, and you can here format information, here data and error code work, and here it stores the elegant pattern, and these two lines stores the timing patterns, and this line is a separator, and this is a finder with patterns, and this is square box around the QR code. Here you can see it is a quietest zone, and these three functions are called as functional patterns. And here you can see there are so many outer dark squares. There are 7 into 7 modules. Here you can see the 7 into 7 modules, or 3 into 3 modules, or 5 into 5 modules. See the scanning of a QR code. Here you can see we get any data by scanning a QR code. See, here you can get AM, apparatus, input address, output address, algorithm, opcode of a 805 microprocessor, and precautions, and if we finally get a result. Not only in addition, we have also created an examples of subtraction, multiplication, and division, and etc. Here you can now see the decoding of a QR code. Here you can see the decoding of a QR code. It starts when you scan the QR code. It will extract the information and determine the version, release making, restore data and error correction of code words. If there is an error, it is corrected. If there is no error, which is go to decode data code words, and output we can see here I have, and you can see this. Finally, we get this output and in the form of readable data. Here you can see the different types of QR codes. There are in QR code mode 1 and 2, micro QR codes, logo QR codes, iQR codes, eQR QR. And here you can see this is QR code model 1 and 2, which is 177 into 177 module. This is micro QR code. This is the used to micro QR code, which is in the form of this. And this is logo QR code. Nowadays every person in Instagram or WhatsApp using these logo QR codes, which are telling about this is our QR code. This is different from other QR codes, which is iQR QR code, which is in the form of rectangle. This is encrypted QR code. eQR code means encrypted QR code, which is used in militaries and other, which is stores an QR code with a high efficiency, which everyone can't be accessed with this QR code. Here there are so many advantages of QR code. Nowadays we are using QR codes to different purposes like PhonePe and etc. Here you can see the industrial purpose of QR code. We can know the every details of the details. We can't print on a single item. Here in the place of that place, use a QR code, which you can scan the QR code. You can get the every ingredient which is used in this purpose. And not only that, QR codes are in different modules which can store the 177 into 177 module version 40, which can store the data about 97,000 watts. Not only that, QR code can be scanned in 360 degrees, and which you can also get a data which is QR code is destroyed. You can get data with 330% of QR code is destroyed. You can also get the data from the QR code, and we can't need any extra substances to create a QR code. It is very easy to create a QR code by in your mobile or system or etc.
క్యూఆర్ కోడ్ వల్ల ఎన్ని ఉపయోగాలు అయితే ఉన్నాయో అన్ని నష్టాలు కూడా ఉన్నాయి. క్యూఆర్ కోడ్ మనకు స్కాన్ చేయాలంటే ఖచ్చితంగా ఒక యాప్ అనేది మనకు కావాలి. దానికి క్యూఆర్ కోడ్, క్యూఆర్ బార్స్ అనే కొన్ని ఉంటాయి. అలాగే క్యూఆర్ కోడ్ మనకి స్కాన్ చేసేటప్పుడు నష్టాలు కూడా కొన్ని ఉన్నాయి. అది స్కాన్ చేసిన తర్వాత మనకి సేఫ్టీ ఉందో లేదంటే అన్సేఫ్టీ ఉందో కూడా తెలుస్తుంది. క్యూఆర్ కోడ్ ఇంకా చాలా మందికి తెలియడం లేదు. టెక్నాలజీ పెరుగుతున్న క్యూఆర్ కోడ్ వలన క్యూఆర్ కోడ్ ఉపయోగం కొంచెం తక్కువగానే ఉంటుంది.
And here we can finally conclude that this is we can get a result of a QR code design for a laboratory manual, and this is done by D. Sivateja and S. Lavaraju in the guidance of B. Srikanth sir from in the lecture of physics. Thank you.